Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al Quran and Salat the easy way 3-minute series, lesson 41b, in which we will learn imperative forms of the verbs starting with idrib and isma. There are 4 important styles of a verb. For the first style, the 3 verb keys are fataha, yaftahu, iftah, and the second one nasara, yansuru, unsur. And the third style is daraba, yadribu, idrib. Let us practice idrib. Okay, Bismillah. Translate. Idrib.
Hit.
Idribu.
Hit.
La tadrib.
Don't hit.
La tadribu.
Don't hit.
Again. Idrib.
Hit.
Idribu.
Hit.
La tadrib.
Don't hit.
La tadribu.
Don't hit.
Alright, can you repeat after me? Idrib. Idribu.
Idrib. Idribu.
La tadrib. La tadribu.
La tadrib. La tadribu.
Idrib. Idribu.
Idrib. Idribu.
La tadrib. La tadribu.
La tadrib. La tadribu.
MashaAllah. Let's take dialogues now. I will say hit and you will say soon I will hit, and I mean a ball. So, idrib.
Sawfa adribu.
Soon I will hit. Idribu.
Sawfa nadribu.
Soon we will hit. We will add an object here. Al-Qura. Al-Qura means ball. Kuratul Qadam means football. Anyway, we will just say idrib al-Qura, hit the ball. You will say Sawfa adribu al-Qura. Soon I will hit the ball. And so on. So can you reply? Idrib al-Qura.
Sawfa nadribu al-Qura.
Idribu al-Qura.
Sawfa nadribu al-Qura.
MashaAllah. Let's take another verb now. Can you translate? Isma'.
Listen.
Isma'u.
Listen.
La tasma'.
Don't listen.
La tasma'u.
Don't listen.
Repeat after me. Isma'. Isma'u.
Isma. Isma'u.
La tasma'. La tasma'u.
La tasma. La tasma'u.
MashaAllah. Now let us take dialogues. I will say listen and you will say Sawfa asma'u. Soon I will listen. Okay. Isma'u. Sawfa nasma'u. Answer me. Isma'.
Sawfa asma'u.
Isma'u.
Sawfa nasma'u.
We will add an object here, Al-Quran. As an object, it will be Al-Qur'ana. So can you answer me? Isma' Al-Qur'ana.
Sawfa asma'u al-Qur'ana.
Isma'u Al-Qur'ana.
Sawfa nasma'u al-Qur'ana.
Again, Isma' Al-Qur'ana.
Sawfa asma'u al-Qur'ana.
Isma'u Al-Qur'ana.
Sawfa nasma'u al-Qur'ana.
That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.